This is a video how to make fake deck what will look cosmetically good. One of the ways is actually to take a board like this one. This is a balsa. There are other materials what I'm using. This is the maple. And another one what I like most is a Sitka pine with beautiful grains what later result as best. The board first I add a shellac on the top. I sand it slightly. Then I go where the segments, same strips I use for planking, and I mark with a simple pencil what should go a little bit deeper in a balsa, being softer wood than others. We will need this actually later to have perfect look, but I hope no one will actually see what we did as a fake. Carefully just making the lines, pressing a little bit to go deeper in the wood structure. As you see, don't rush, try to do that best as possible. Right. No deck is built by equal lengths because you will need huge forest to cut down for the one deck. We are using material as much as we can in very rational way. This means these segments, as you see, are on the same places most of the time following the ribs under the deck. But we can do that respecting the length of the wood we have in different places, and will look even better than following length between ribs. There are many deck material to buy, printed, what actually does not look really pretty. Sometimes it's very good to make unequal lengths. For example, with the top of the pencil I mark nailing like this, carefully to make that same way as it should be, just making small holes, and I will tell you why, what I do later. In building models we should have enough nerves to come to the certain result. There are other ways of building a deck by the segments like this one, what I will show you in the next video. This one is giving you very good results even if you are beginner, but you have to go slowly, respecting what you have to do. No rush. No rush. For example, this is now ready to use. What I'm using is a white wood glue covering all the surface, penetrating in all holes, and these lines that are deep in the wood will be filled with the glue. When this dries, I will show you in the next video. I will tell you what is the next step and how that should like in that way. Okay, now thank you for your attention, and next video will come soon.